should... Whoa! What's up with you?
Fuck's sake!
What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back. We are out camping tonight again in the hot tents, in the rain, as per usual. We've carried absolutely everything, including the kitchen sink up just over there. We've just got a tarp up and all the gear under it. I'm not even joking, yeah. We carried enough for about 5 people. So we've got two hot tents that are capable of sleeping 2 people in, but we're having one each because we're pretty greedy. Kris is using his new hot tent, so I won't spoil that, but it's an absolute beast. Both of them are canvas tents, so yeah, it's going to be a good one. Stay tuned and we'll bring you back shortly. Excuse the darkness. So we have got absolutely soaked. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but the plan is get these fire lit, get all our gear in the tent now, and start getting our stuff dried off. And then once we've got the tents going, everything's drying off, we're going to get another fire and cook some scran outside tonight. So we've got the tarp set up over there, so let's get this bugger going. Oh bloody. Just using loads of these wood walls because everything is drenched. Fire's steaming. So good thing is this hazel is very dry inside. We just need to get it dried off first, like the water on the outside of it. And then once that's going, we've got some oak logs. So we found a big bit of dead standing oak. So that should. Whoa! What's up with you?
That one was probably too big to snap on my knee.
Broken knee, anyone? Right, so I'll get this wrapped up, get it blazing, and hopefully start drying out because I am sopping. Good thing about hot tents though, if you get wet, you soon dry out. It is absolutely shocking.
Loads of room in them, isn't there?
Yeah.
Fucking leaves.
Goddamn leaves.
Look at the strength of that.
Beast! So, that's the fire's going. Quite difficult to get going in this weather because we didn't bring any wood with us, no dry kindling or anything, so everything's absolutely sodden. So what I've had to do is get some dry bits, well, wet bits of hazel, but dry inside. Split them down, get them in the fire, and then I've split some of the oak that we found, that bit of dead standing. I just split that down into some smaller bits of kindling, and as the coals have built up off the hazel, just sort of fed that in just to get it going a bit, but it's struggling. Kris has just gone back to the car because he forgot his camp chair, so that's a bit of a mission back to the car, but yeah, he should be back shortly. So I've just stoked this fire up, got my bed made up. So yeah, I've got the Flames Creed quilt again. Loving using that lately. It's bloody spot on bit of kit. Got it from Outdoor Gear Essentials for a good price. One tigress bed with, I've got just a Lawnmower thermal mat underneath it, just for a bit of extra comfort, and then just a wool blanket. And then my sleep kit, I've just got some bog standard thermal bottoms, thermal top, and then a good set of alpaca socks. Can't go wrong with them. If tonight wasn't disastrous enough, while we were chilling out in the tent and warming through, the tarp setup fell over and everything in it, and I mean everything, seats, food, wood, everything got absolutely soaking. So we just had a mad frantic hour just getting the fire going and that, and yeah, it's mildly moist to say the least, so let's get this scran on. Let's be. Now we're gourmet cooking again. Just so delicately done.
Want delicate? I'll give you delicate. Pow! This is what we have to be delicate with. Nearly dropped it. Listen.
If anyone knows what this meal is, please let us know.
Watch it just fall into the fire now.
That's not going anywhere, that. Bang tidy.
I bought my chain tonight, which uses, well, we've used 3 sticks hazel and sort of crossed them over, so it creates a sort of pyramid style, I don't know what you'd call it really, it just hangs really from them, so that's working alright at the moment, but it's going to take a while to cook. So I've just come back in here now, try and dry off a bit more because the weather is miserable, and I thought I'd just give you a quick look around. I am just using my Lawnmower mat on my bed with the extendable legs. Got my one tigress down quilt and my one tigress featherlight, almost like a sleeping bag thing, but it's more of a quilt. And then yeah, got the log burning stove. That's going nicely at the moment. I've got some wood underneath it, which is drying out, and I've got some dry wood there. Got my clothes hanging up. because obviously they are horrendously wet, but they're hanging up on the modification that I made, or one of the modifications that I made, which was to put a little bit of a ridge line from one pole to the other, and they've just used some prusik knots to sort of clip stuff to. So that's a nice little add-on, because there isn't very many places in here that we can hang gear up. Yeah, it's a belting setup. I like it. As I say, it's toasty warm in here. Can't go wrong. Dries my gear out pretty quick, and it's keeping me warm as well. So I'll just keep that going throughout the night, slowly ticking over, and there shouldn't be any issues because I've only bought light gear tonight. So I'm hoping the temperature doesn't go too low. Otherwise, I'll be getting a bit chilly if the fire goes out.
Good tackle. The rain finally stopped last night. Thank God. If there was ever a test for these tents to see if they were going to leak, that was it last night, because it just literally hammered it down from the second we got here right through till about, I think it was about 2:30, 3 o'clock the rain actually stopped. But yeah, slept alright, I think. Woke up a couple of times, but no dramas. So it's about 8:30 in the morning, I think, now, so just gonna probably get up soon, go and find some kindling wood and get the fire frapped up for a brew. Oh dear. Kris has been snoring his tits off all night again. Twat. Just to show you the sheer extent of the state of the weather last night, I'll show you my tarp. Now, viewers of a nervous disposition might want to switch off now. What in God's green earth am I supposed to do with that? Not like a morning brew. Fire's struggling again this morning because it's that muddy. Everything's still soaked. Took ages to get that brew going. You can hear everything hissing in the fire. Right, that's us packed away now after a very wet camp. We've got everything sorted, leave no trace and all that. This is actually our permission woodland, so we're allowed to have fires, we're allowed to use it as we wish, but we obviously carry on with the leave no trace and treat it as if it wasn't ours anyway. So if you got this far into the video, thanks very much for watching, I really appreciate it, and if you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing, and we will catch you at the next one. Ta-da! Ta-da! Fuck's sake.